most delicious and healthy paneer tikka is something I can never have enough of. So today, I'm setting up an audition for 2 pro chefs who can actually make these delicious paneer tikkas with perfection. Alright Vinita, please tell me a little about your paneer tikka preparation.
Well, I'm using my grandpa's secret pan-fried method to make this, and I've spent years perfecting it. And I'm very sure there's no one who can make it better than this.
So this looks a bit too oily, but still interesting. Okay Sumit, you're up next. Please tell me about your paneer tikka preparation.
Sure, I have used the brand new Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer to dish out the perfect paneer tikka for you.
This looks really good, Sumit. This paneer tikka is not only healthy, but delicious too. This is the clear winner of this cook-off. Now, please tell us how you managed to pull off this perfectly cooked paneer tikka in such a short time.
Thank you so much. Well, to be frank, the secret lies in the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer, which is India's only smart air fryer that I used for this contest. The modern cooking gadget that cooks healthy and quick recipes like a breeze and is the next essential to turn your kitchen into a smart kitchen.
It looks so cool, almost like a kitchen art piece.
And it's light too. At just 4.9 kgs, the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer is indeed a beautiful and a compact home cooking appliance. Its minimalist, glossy white design instantly sets it apart from all the other air fryers. It comes with a 3.5-liter crisping basket, a removable tray insert to separate basically the oil from the main chamber, and an exclusive metal grill stand for dual-level cooking. To make more efficient use of the inner space, now you can also cook for more people in this cute-looking compact air fryer.
Can you quickly tell our viewers what exactly an air fryer is used for?
Now, air frying is a quick, healthy replacement for traditional deep frying pans. It uses heated air enriched with very fine droplets of oil to fry the food deeply and evenly without compromising on flavor and texture. Now, this means that no more high fat and high-calorie oil is associated with fried food. This also means that you get tasty, crunchy outer layer with a tender, juicy center. Now, most of you might be thinking that air fryers are only used to make fried food. But you can do so much more with the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer, like making yogurt, defrosting your frozen food, baking cakes, grilling, or even reheating food. You can even make samosas, bhajiyas, and vadas in the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer.
Okay, Sumit, I get it now. But I think you can only make fried food in this, right?
In a Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer, you can do much more than just frying. There are 8 preset modes for popular dishes like fish, chicken, chips, vegetables, and steak. Selecting these will set the cooking time and the temperature automatically. The unique thing about this particular product is that the temperature can go as low as 40 degrees Celsius, which turns out to be more energy efficient for longer cooking hours. This comes in use for either dehydrating fruits or making yogurt. And the temperature goes as high as 200 degrees Celsius. A slick OLED display makes it easy to monitor the cooking process. The 1500-watt heating power actually enables rapid temperature increase and more balanced 360-degree heat distribution inside the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer. Now, this fits perfectly into a faster, healthier, and more convenient lifestyle. Guess what? It just took me 15 minutes to cook my delicious paneer tikka. And imagine the kind of stuff you can make without investing too much time. All it takes is just 15 minutes. Additionally, with this configuration of the dual-speed fan, this smart air fryer can also defrost your frozen foods, dry fruits, ferment vegetables, bake a cake, make curd, and even reheat food for you.
Okay, you have to tell us what's so smart about this smart air fryer?
Oh, I must tell you, this is India's only smart air fryer, and it connects to your home Wi-Fi, which means you can control it using the Xiaomi Home app from any room of your house or even when you are traveling. You can use the app to start cooking, pause it, or even change the cooking time and temperature remotely. It will also tell you when it's time to flip or shake your food. The Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer offers 50 plus smart cloud recipes that automatically adjust time and temperature and cook the food for you. These recipes come with detailed processes, ingredients, and some great tips from the experts. You can schedule meals up to 24 hours in advance. Alternatively, you can also voice control the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer with Google Assistant.
Well, that's cool and all, but what about cleaning it after you've done all the cooking?
At Xiaomi India, we know the kind of food we cook in our Indian kitchens. The Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer is designed for easy cleaning. All it takes is one swipe to clean it from the outside. And talking about the insides, the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer comes with a 7-layer composite frying basket that features a dual-layer PTFE non-stick coating, making the basket wear-resistant and easy to clean. The plate and the basket can be cleaned separately, even in a dishwasher, and is super easy to clean. Okay, let me show you something cool.
Whoa, Sumit, I don't think you should be pulling out the basket while it's still cooking.
If you pull the basket out, it will simply stop cooking. And the moment you put the basket in, it will automatically resume cooking. How smart is that?
Thanks, Sumit. You and the Xiaomi Smart Fryer are clearly new age winners. Now tell me, how much does one cost? And how do I get one for my home?
The Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer is available for pre-order exclusively on me.com at a price of just 9,999. But hang on, if you are pre-ordering this Smart Air Fryer with us, then you get it at just 7,999. Start your healthy cooking journey with the Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer. You can buy this starting 9th of August exclusively on me.com.
Sumit, can you cook me some more of your air-fried paneer tikka? Please?
I knew you wanted it, so I have it ready right here for you.